Namaste, friends. Hope you all are in good health by the grace of Almighty. Today, we'll talk about some neurological problem. Cranial neuralgia. Cranial neuralgia is a condition characterized by paroxysmal severe pain along the distribution of one or more cranial nerves without primary inflammation. Pain is sudden, sharp, stabbing, electric shock like pain, recurrent, triggered by touch, chewing, talking, wind, or cold. What is nerve trunk pain? Nerve trunk pain refers to pain arising from compression, irritation, degeneration, inflammation of peripheral or cranial nerve trunk. Unlike neuralgia, nerve trunk pain is often continuous, burning or itching, associated with numbness or weakness. Important cranial nerves involved: trigeminal nerve, trigeminal neuralgia, glossopharyngeal nerve, occipital nerve, occipital neuralgia, facial nerve, vagus nerve. These are types of cranial neuralgia. Trigeminal neuralgia, severe facial pain, one-sided, triggered by touch, shaving, or eating. Maxillary and mandibular division commonly involved. Glossopharyngeal neuralgia, pain in throat, tonsil, or ear. Worse on swelling, talking, reduced to neck. Then third one is occipital neuralgia, pain at back of head, soothing pain leading to scalp or eyes. Worse by neck movement. Post-herpetic neuralgia, after herpes zoster, burning or persistent pain. Hypersensitive skin. Skin is very sensitive. Causes of cranial neuralgia are nerve compression, tumor vessels loop, cervical spine disorder, dental pathology, sinus infection, herpes zoster, diabetes mellitus, multiple sclerosis, exposure to cold wind, or emotional stress. Now we are coming to the pathophysiology. Pathophysiology is very simple explanation: irritation or compression of nerve, hyperexcitability of nerve, abnormal electrical impulses, sudden violent pain attack. No structure damage is visible in many cases, which makes homeopathy especially relevant. Differential pain, neuralgia and other pain. Features are neuralgia, nature sudden soothing, duration second minutes, tenderness usually absent, trigger touch or wind, inflammation nothing. General symptoms: electric shock pain, pain along nerve pathway, pain-free intervals, hypersensitivity, anxiety and fear of next attack. Insomnia is one of the most important symptoms. Now we are coming towards homeopathic treatment and management. Homeopathy based on totality of symptoms, not diagnostic alone. Key of homeopathic medicines. Number one is Spigelia, most important medicine. Left-sided facial neuralgia. Pain reduced to eyes, teeth, burst by touch, motion or noise. Pain like hot needles. The medicine is coming Spigelia. These are the main symptoms of Spigelia. The next medicine is Magnesia Phos. Lightning like pain, bitter by warmth and pressure, worse by cold air, best for trigeminal neuralgia. Magnesia Phos. Magnesia Phos is available in biochemic and homeopathy also. Hypericum. Nerve injury pain. Shooting electric pain. Tingling and numbness. Post-surgical neuralgia. Colocynth is one of the most important medicine also. Severe neuralgia with anger. Bitter by heart pressure. Worse eating or emotion. Sciatica plus facial nerve pain. Then fifth medicine is coming Belladonna. Sudden violent pain, red face, throbbing, worse by touch, light noise, acute onset neuralgia. These are the symptoms of belladonna. Then sixth medicine is coming Verbascum thapsus. Verbascum symptoms are like this, like facial neuralgia affecting cheek and jaw. Worse by talking or chewing. Teeth very sensitive without decay. These are the symptoms of Verbascum. Now we are coming to Mesothelium. Neuralgia with eruption, worse at night, bone, deep pain, post-herpetic cases, herpetic, post-herpetic cases. These are the symptoms of Mesothelium. It is a very good medicine for eruptions and neuralgia. The next medicine is coming Platina. Right-sided facial neuralgia. Numbness with pain. Pain increases gradually and decreases suddenly. Pain increases gradually and decreases suddenly. Then some important notions we are talking about. That is a Soranum. Neuralgia in Chile. Weak patients. Worse by cold. Worse at night. Offensive discharge. Chronic relapsing cases. Medurinum. Neuralgia associated with the psychotic background. If there is any warts on the body or the neck or anywhere. Worse at night. Damp weather worse. Wandering pains, moving pain, pain running here and there. So medullarium is one of the top ranked medicine. Tuberculinum, recurrent neuralgia, changeable symptoms, family history of tuberculosis, restless and irritable patient. There is one more no source that is a herpes zoster no source. Herpes zoster no source. Post-herpetic neuralgia, burning, itching pain, extreme sensitivity of skin. Extreme sensitivity of skin, then herpes zoster no source. Available rarely, but available it is. So these are the symptoms of herpes zoster no source. There are some important sarcodes. Trigeminal nerve sarcode, chronic trigeminal neuralgia, functional nerve weakness, and respiratory cases. So trigeminal nerve sarcode is very good medicine. Brain sarcode, central neural regulation disorder, stress-induced neuralgia, associated with anxiety and insomnia. Patient can't sleep. These are the symptoms of brain sarcode. Then spinal cord sarcode, neuralgia linked with cervical spine pathology, radiating nerve pain. So, friends, these are the no-source sarcodes and homeopathic medicine which I told you. Now come to the miasmatic background. Psoric, functional nerve irritation. In case of psychotic patient, thickened nerve chronicity. Syphilitic patient, destructive, unbearable pain. Correct remedy selection requires miasmatic evolution. Lifestyle. Diet and lifestyle advice. Avoid cold exposure. Protect face and neck from wind. Reduce stress. Adequate sleep. At least 6 to 7 hours minimum. Avoid trigger foods. Gentle neck exercise every day you have to do. So friends, today a most important subject, that is chronic neuralgia, is not just pain, it is a fear, anxiety and suffering combined. Homeopathy treats the nerve, the patient and the cause, not merely suppressing pain, but restoring balance at the nervous level. Correct remedy, correct potency and correct timings, lasting relief, and these are only possible for homeopathic physician. If you have any question, please ask me anytime in my comment box. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Haniman.